Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on SLP. Recently, the price of SLP has broken out another down channel. Previously, it broke out this very long-term down channel, and after the breakout, it was stuck inside in another down channel and dropped down inside this very long-term support zone that starts from $0.0012 and goes to $0.00105. And this was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous down channel as well. And now we have broken out another channel. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that SLP, the price on of SLP was also forming a slightly lower than previous, but at the same time, we can see that stochastic was forming a higher low than previous though. And this was a big bullish divergence signal, and the price has followed this divergence signal, the bullish divergence signal, and geared up and broke out the smaller down channel. And previously, we have also broken out this huge falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of July 2025. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for Dodo, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this TradingView chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 6th of July 2025. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that recently it was moving inside in another smaller down channel that was smaller than the previous channel. And after the breakout, the pricing has pumped very well. Here we had a big dip, but the pricing could not break down this long-term support zone. That start from $0.0012 and goes to $0.00105. That is a very, very long-term support zone. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see previously it had been breaking a support zone here, and support zone here as well. And this time, by the way, there was also a bullish divergence signal flash on the 7 days time frame chart as the price informed slightly lower than previous, or at the same time the casting was forming a higher low than previous low, and the price and has followed this signal, and now there is a probability that soon we may hit this resistance of $0.0021. That is also the target for the breakout from this smaller down channel as well. And by the way, previously this $0.0021 has been breaking as support here for several weeks a month, and support here, and support here in the month of December 2022 as well. And the technical target for the breakout from this previous down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $0.006. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And this time again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of SLP. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.